Hello everyone, it's Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. Yes, we're at that time again for our Golden Ticket for those children who've been working super hard this week. And actually, some of these children have been working super hard throughout this term, and it's now their time to earn themselves a Golden Ticket. Again, if it isn't you, don't worry. Look at them, copy them. Who knows, next week it could be you. But this morning, obviously, it's Friday, the 13th of November. We're in the throes of Children in Need. Thank you so much, all of you, for wearing your spots, for brightening our day. You really have brightened our day. And thank you for all your generous donations as well, because it will all go to Children in Need. So thank you, all of you. Thank you, mums and dads, for putting the effort in, getting everyone ready for this wonderful, wonderful day. So thank you, all of you. And we're now going to celebrate, obviously, those children in year 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to kick off with year 3 and find out who the Golden Ticket winners are this morning. This person in Miss White's class is working hard in school and at home. They always try their best, and we are really starting to notice the impact. And we really are, the impact all these children are having. This cumulative effect, if children are in every single day, the progress they are making is phenomenal. They are kind, helpful, and always cheerful. Keep up the great work, and absolutely keep up the great work. But not only that, keep up telling me jokes at lunchtime, because you'll know it is now. It's Khaleesi! Here she is, absolute superstar. I get a little joke from her on her through every single lunch. It always makes me smile. They're great jokes, Khaleesi, so keep that up. But actually, that sense of humour is also keeping you through working really hard when you find things difficult. So really well done, well deserved. Enjoy your treats. You have deserved them so well, so well done. Keep up that hard work, Khaleesi, you superstar. Thank you. Moving on to Mr. Ackerman's class. This child is a kind, caring, and very polite member of class, and he always has been from the moment he started school. He works hard every single day, and we've been very proud of the way he has grown into year 3. He loves learning, and he really does, and shows lots of enthusiasm to be a great learner and to impress both adults and other children in the class. Keep up the great work. And also I'll say, it's not only at school, it's at home as well. This boy is such a hard worker, and that cumulative effect for him, absolutely, and he will go a long way. The Golden Ticket goes to Marshall. Here he is, look at this, absolute superstar, star worker, certificate, presentation 7. You know, he has earned it, he has won it. Golden Tickets as well. Enjoy your treats, maybe you can share them at home tonight. They are yours, really well done, Marshall, and really well deserved. Congratulations, buddy. Moving on to year 4 now. Here we go, Miss Barrett. Now this superstar gives 100% to everything they do. They really do. Their attendance is excellent. They read 5 times every week and never give up any task. And actually, some of the time, they're reading more than 5 times. They're reading twice a day, so they're really impressive. I love having them in the class as they set an excellent example for other children. That's what I keep saying. Copy these children. You might win the Golden Ticket if you do. And they always know what is expected of them. A well-deserved Golden Ticket, and actually a really well-deserved Golden Ticket, because this girl has been working hard from the beginning of term. The Golden Ticket goes to Eliza! Here she is, look at that. Got a certificate there, presentation assembly as well for all of her hard work that first half term. Always smiling. Look at this maths. Phenomenal maths going on there, Eliza. Really well done. Well deserved. Enjoy your treats. Maybe share them with mum as well. Okay? That'd be really kind of you. I know you will. Well done, Eliza. Proud of you. Moving on. Now look at this. Mr. Pinnis. She's kind, calm, fantastic sense of humour. She's a joy to have in class from the moment she enters in the morning. She's not only completes her homework to the best of her ability, she is a superstar, supportive partner to everyone she works with. I am sure that all of the children, as well as the adults, will agree that she deserves this award. I totally agree, Mr. Pinner. She absolutely deserves this award. It goes to Claudia. Here she is. Absolute superstar. Well done, Claudia. You really do deserve this. You do brighten our day, all of us, every day you come into school with a big smile on your face. Your attitude to learning, to work is exemplary. Everyone, copy Claudia. You may get the Golden Ticket then. Well done, hun, and enjoy your treats. Thank you. Moving on to year 5. Miss Atherton. This person works hard in every lesson and will help others. They are a great friend and a role model to everyone in their class. They put in 100% into everything they do and are always looking for ways to improve. As well as reading every day, twice a day, this child also goes on Timetable Rockstar, Spelling Check and Read Theory, and is massing lots and lots of points and working so hard. Always smiling, always giving their best and never giving up. Golden Ticket goes to Milana, here she is. Look at that superstar. She is important. Look at that. It's a perfectly placed photograph there because Milana is really, really important. She absolutely is, because actually, if everyone copies her, you'll know how important she is, because she is a perfect role model for Marcos Primary School. Well done, Milana. Well deserved. And who knows, you can share your treat with your brother. I know you will, because you're such a kind girl as well. Thank you, Milana. Keep it up. Moving on. Ms. Musselwhite's got a child, is a conscientious learner. They always produce outstanding pieces of work due to their hard work, dedication, and their willingness to listen. They then continue to work extremely hard at home, reading, practicing their spellings and their times tables. Although they have a quiet nature, and they really do, they get involved in all lessons and regularly share their ideas with the class, something they didn't do that much in September. So gaining in confidence all the time and then building on that. They are a real joy to teach, and they really are. And she really is. She may be quiet, she may be working really, really hard, but actually she's getting involved. She's building in that confidence and getting better and better. Golden ticket goes to Goda! Here she is, look. Working feverishly, just getting on, unassuming, working perfectly, working beautifully. Well done, Goda. Huge, huge congratulations. Again, maybe you can share your treats with all your family tonight. Well done, well deserved. I know you will, because you're such a kind girl as well. So, well done, Goda. Congratulations. Year 6, here we go. Look, Miss Percy, look at this. Golden ticket, 6JP. This week is awarded to someone who's shown a great level of improvement since the beginning of the year, with regards to their maturity and attitude to school. They work incredibly hard in all subjects, producing beautifully presented work to their highest standard. They absolutely do. It's phenomenal. They conduct themselves sensibly in the classroom and always remember their manners. They're also completing a fantastic amount of work at home, playing in Spelling Shed, Times Table Rock Stars every day. Really well done. That manners bit, they don't cost anything, those. Say please, thank yous, they're free. Opening a door for someone, absolutely, it is phenomenal. And this child does that all the time without being asked. Golden ticket goes to Scarlett. Here she is, head down, working hard. I don't know how many golden tickets you won now, Scarlett. They're umpteen, I know, but you really do deserve them. Really well done. Again, maybe you could share your treats with your brother. I'm sure he shared them when he won the golden ticket last week. So really well done. Enjoy. Congratulations, Scarlett. Thank you for being so polite as well. Finally, Mr. Davidson. This child is an absolute pleasure to teach. And we've heard that quite a bit this morning. Absolutely. These children are a pleasure to teach. They read voraciously, consistently complete their home learning, and apply a positive attitude to every task. Moreover, this child always does the right thing and is a wonderful friend to everyone. They really, really are. A richly deserved award, and they really are, because even in my games lesson we're doing football at the moment, she's amazing. She's such a good footballer as well. She just tries her best at everything and learns really, really well. So keep it up, because the golden ticket goes to Harlow! Here she is, look at that. Superb. Again, quietly, just gets on, works really, really hard, an absolute pleasure to teach. She's an absolute superstar. Well done, Harlow. Again, maybe you can share your treats with Junior, who knows? I know you will, because you're such a kind girl. So well done, well deserved. Thank you, Harlow. Finally, obviously, what all those children don't ever do, they don't ever give up. They keep on trying, they really do. You watch them. You know them who've won it now. You watch them, they never give up, they just keep doing it. Next week, we're going to really focus on challenging and meeting challenges head on. That's going to be our theme next week, so really look at that. And Mr. Allen's assembly as well. Copy these children, who knows, next week it could be you winning the golden ticket. Finally, again, please, we are still in a national lockdown. This weekend, stay home. The reason I'm saying that is let's not mix with others, let's not mix year groups, let's keep safe, keep ourselves safe. Protect Mile Cross. It's really important that we do that for Mile Cross. Help Mr. Allen keep school open. See if we can get up to Christmas and keep school open. Because by that way, if we stay in, we can protect, we can look out for ourselves. We can then protect Mile Cross. If we are going out wearing face coverings or face masks, please let's do that. Let's look after us. Wash your hands regularly, even at home. That way we can keep school open and we'll keep going all the way up to Christmas. Bye-bye, everyone.